We're going to buy things for Christmas tomorrow. We are going shopping to buy stuff for Christmas too. What do I say no? We're going to do a cooking competition.
Follow us to
I will win. Then to then to Sam's Club. Then yes, we're also going for a carol today. We're going for a carol today in the evening. I'm so pumped up about it. Then we're going to go to church soon.
We also had today very well.
See this life thing, yeah, it's all about understanding. You gotta understand what you're doing.
No impulse buying. No buying of croissants. If you hear me. Of all this to go and get something is today that everybody decided to go and get some. We didn't even go to one particular store we usually go to get vegetables and stuff because there was no parking space, so we had to go to another location, another different store entirely. So because I did not take you guys along, I was going to do a grocery haul. So this is the first haul I'm doing ever in YouTube vlog. So we got chicken, tortilla wraps. We want to do a baking competition, right? So we did not want to just do stuff from scratch for because of time. So we got food coloring, cookie mix. These are all the cake mix that we got. We got the milk chocolate brownie cake mix, red velvet cake mix, the confetti, and we got vanilla. Yeah, milk chocolates. We also have to get baking pans because we don't have any baking pans. We got 2 baking pans each. We didn't get this ones today, but these are also like other sprinkles and everything we're going to add on the cupcake or the cake. So we got M&M, we got marshmallows, and yeah, kisses chocolate. Just everything here, just chocolate, just everything sweet. We did not want to make things from scratch, as I said earlier, so we got frostings, icing. We got the milk chocolate icing, strawberry icing, 2 vanilla and buttercream icing. We already packed the other things that we got. We got vegetables, rice, blah blah, just things like to eat. Yeah, so I think that's it. I'm already tired and we have to head out soon for the Christmas carol / mass. We are actually going because we're actually going for this mass because they are having the Christmas carol before, and I really want to. I don't know why. I really want to listen to Christmas songs, like choir Christmas songs. So that is why I have to go. And also, I don't want to go to church tomorrow because I want to sleep in. And yeah, I also want to make this good morning breakfast stuff. Some white chocolate. It came with the pasta I'm looking for before. I'm gonna put oil.
What the dog doing?
What the dog doing?
But I made red velvet cupcake.
Brownie cupcake. I made some cookies. This one a marshmallow flavor. This one a milk. Actually, it's just a topping shop.
Which type of topping?
It's like a baby pink.
Which type of topping?
Let me think.
Don't open it.
A baby pink. This thing.
Ooh.
Baby pink.
With marshmallow, white strawberry on the topping.
What the dog doing? What the dog doing?
That's my order.
What the dog doing? What the dog doing?
Why are you not here? Because I finished cooking the food now. Hi guys, Happy New Year. It's been days that I have not vlogged. After we finished doing the cupcake and everything, I forgot to close the video, and then when I was editing the video I realized that the video will be really small, like 5 minutes or so, and I did not want to post like a 5 minute vlog. You know, like the last time I was going to make fried rice, so now I'm going to make fried rice because the last time we did not have the ingredients to make the fried rice. I got prepared to make the fried rice, and this time nothing is going to stop me from making that fried rice because I've been craving fried rice for some time, really. And we're also going to be having some. We're going to be doing some baking. We're going to bake chin chin. If time should allow us, we're also going to make maybe spring rolls and meat pie. And I'm going to take you guys along with us today. So today is just going to be mostly cooking, celebrating, eating and stuff. So there's really not much I'm going to show. So, and I'm going to end the vlog after that, the cooking and everything. And I'm so grateful that we are all alive. Like, I mean, if you're watching right now, you made it to 2026, and I'm so grateful for life, for everything. I really hope that this year brings joy and goodness and more blessings. So yeah, let's get right into the video that we're already watching. So let's continue the video. It seems like everything about this vlog has been about us eating, drinking. We're not beatbox, I promise, but now I think about it, we're heading out to the buffet, and the last time we were like cooking, we ate, and now we're going out to eat again. Like, I know that I'm just going to eat rice and something there, but I just wanted to look cute. Let me see. Helen, they would have negative thinking. Chichi, not your dates.